Hello friends, today's video is very special because we are going to talk about GTA real estate housing market in the month of March. We are going to discuss how our real estate market reacted to the increase of 0.25 interest rate, what will be our future indications in the month of April. Further, it's all about stats, the topmost regions and cities with most number of sales, which cities saw the most growth in the time frame from 2021 to 2022. Let's start with the GTA stats first. We had near about 11,000 homes sold in the month of March 2022, which is 30% less compared to what we saw in the hottest market of March of 2021, where we had more than 15,000 homes sold and all the records were broken. Average price is around 1.3 million, which is slightly dipped from the last month considering all the tight regulations and the market conditions. Market condition is very tight, but it's giving an opportunity to buyers to jump into the market because there is a lot of inventory and they have choice to select their first dream home. Let's talk as of today itself. In the region of Peel, we have more than 1,500 properties to select from, which was 1/5 in the month of January itself. So it's an opportunity for the buyers to utilize this spring market and grab the right home for them. Average selling price saw a growth of around 19% year on year. This means if you bought a property with the average price of 1.1 million in the last year, March 2021, the same property is around 1.3 million. So home buyers pocketed 200,000 into their pocket in just 1 year time frame. But is the same trend going to continue? What will happen in the month of April? Are we going to see more interest rate hikes as we saw in the month of March with a slight increase of 0.25? You saw so many opportunities coming for the buyers. We can see as the government is tightening all those regulations, the focus is to moderate the market, which was really hot from last 2 years, but it's giving an opportunities to buyers to select the right property. Further, in the month of March, we're going to see a balanced real estate market, which is giving opportunity to more buyers as compared to sellers. As the inflation is going up, you can see the trend, it's already touching the 6% mark. We have a GDP growth of more than 6.6%, but the problem is because of the low interest rates, people were in the spending sphere and it's causing problem from the government. If they have to curb this inflation, they might increase that prime lending rate to more so that people are not into the spending and the inflation can be controlled, which is giving an opportunity for investors or for buyers to jump into the market. Let's jump into stats now. The top 3 regions with most number of sales in the month of March were, as usual, City of Toronto, followed by region of Peel. Number 3rd is region of York. Next we have top 3 cities. The number 1 goes to Toronto Central, which is the heart of downtown Toronto, followed by Mississauga, which is part of region of Peel. Then we have Toronto West. And if you talk about the top cities with the most number of apartments, you can easily guess it's the downtown part, it's Toronto Central, then followed by Toronto West, and then it's Mississauga. Oh, I forgot about Caledon. Caledon had 0 apartments sold because there are no apartments in Caledon. Here comes the most important secret news. If you are an investor or a buyer looking to tap in the city where you got the most year-on-year return, do you know which city is that? That is Whitby. Whitby, there were year-on-year growth was around 44%. Followed by we have Caledon and then we have Oshawa. To summarize, in the month of April, it'll be moderate growth in the real estate industry, giving us a balanced market. So further, we can see the inflation is eating our pocket. It's really hard to survive. You can see the oil is already hitting $2. That's really important for the government to regulate that as consumers, as end users, that inflation can be curbed. And the only solution the government is coming is they are just focusing on prime lending rate. Let's keep our eyes open what they are coming up in the meeting of April the 13th, where we might see an increase or decrease, whatever, right? No, we don't have a crystal ball here, but the chances are we'll be in the balanced market coming in the spring because spring gives an opportunity. As always, there are a lot of homes that come into the market, which is good for everyone seeing the growth of real estate industry. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe because we have a lot of wonderful content coming only for you.